Sub-Commander Darkstrider, also known as El Mananto in the Tau lexicon, is an unconventional Tau Pathfinder officer of the rank of Shaste, who has refused several promotions in order to remain with his Pathfinder comrades. Darkstrider excels in attacking from unexpected angles and using every element of the battlefield to his advantage. Though unpopular with many Tau commanders for his borderline insubordination, a trait unforgivable amid the traditional ranks of the Firecast, Darkstrider always gets results. From Galath and Napton to the bloody fields of the Zeist campaign, he has led his warriors into the most deadly situations, always bringing them back alive and victorious. No matter the foe, Darkstrider uses his structural analyzer and vast battlefield experience to spot their hidden weaknesses, then coordinates an audacious strike that will exterminate them wholesale. It is this talent for observation and improvisation, coupled with Darkstrider's obvious courage, that has made him a favourite of Ashersa herself. Despite his many heroics, there is something unsettling about Sub-Commander Elemental. Although all of the Firecast regard him as a cunning tactician and a warrior to be reckoned with, his unconventional methods and disregard for proper protocol have stirred up much trouble and made him many internal enemies within the cast. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.